In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable crossplay on Grounded 2. First thing first, one of the best features of Grounded 2 is that, like the first game, it fully supports crossplay. This means you can team up with friends whether they're playing on Xbox, Microsoft Store, Game Pass, or Steam. Open Grounded 2 and go to the Options menu. Scroll down to the end of the first tab in Options, where you'll find the Crossplay toggle. Link your Microsoft or Xbox account by following the on-screen instructions. Only one account can be linked. Then return to the main menu and check if your game tag is displayed. If it's visible, your crossplay connection is active. To disable crossplay, simply press F1 on the keyboard or X on the Xbox controller while in the menu. And once complete, you'll be able to play seamlessly with your friends across PC in Steam, Microsoft Store, Game Pass, and Xbox.